And we are coming to you from Vogel State Park today.
In the North Georgia mountains.
Yes, just outside, I say just, it's about 7 miles or so outside of Blairsville. And it is cold today.
Yes.
We've been having temperatures in the 20s in the mornings. So we've got to check out the heater in the camper, and it works very well, I must say. But we decided to start this vlog and start our YouTube channel.
It's time.
It's time to kind of discuss our journey. Someday we want to be full-time,
But
and
we're not
we're not in a position to do it.
No.
Our plan is when we retire, we are selling the house, we are moving into a camper, and we're hitting the road. And our plan is for 2 years on the road, but as we have seen, and we love following, and probably the reason you're watching us is you were doing searches on YouTube on camping, living in a camper, getting out there in a camper, and you've probably come across all the same YouTube channels that we have. We, for a long time, sat and just dreamed of the perfect full-timing camper, but that was 7, 8, 9 years down the road. And we kept thinking, that's what we want, that's where we'll get to. But in watching these YouTube videos, everybody kept saying, don't wait. Find what you can get into to get yourself out there today. And that's what we did. We've had campers, we've been married for 28 years now. And once our kids came along, we started camping. We both grew up camping, and once we got married, we knew we wanted to keep doing that. And it got delayed until the kids came along, but once they did, we started tent camping. We moved up to a pop-up camper. We moved up to a travel trailer and camped for years with our kids. Once they left the house and our daughter went off to college, we sold that camper because it was a bunkhouse model. It no longer really suited us. And that's when we started dreaming of, well, let's wait and buy the full-time camper down the road, and then realized, no, we're not waiting. We want to get back out there. So we started searching for what was going to be our next camper. And a lot of factors went into it. And we'll do a tour of the camper maybe in another video and show you what we ended up with. But what worked for us was a toy hauler. She wasn't too keen on the idea of a toy hauler. She thought, well, it's wasted space in the back. So I bought her a motorcycle. And once I did, she loved the idea of a toy hauler because now her motorcycle gets to go with us when we travel. So we are in a toy hauler and are loving it. Since we've had it for 7 months now, we've already taken 4 big trips.
We got it in March of 2019. And our first trip was actually here to Vogel State Park outside of
Blairsville,
Georgia. And then we went to a campground outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. And then we went to
Pettigene State Park in Tennessee. Great park. Had
Yes.
friends of ours from Louisiana met us there.
Really pretty, great hiking. It was nice.
And our last trip before coming here was to St. Augustine. Had a blast in St. Augustine, but decided for this week we wanted to come up here to the mountains.
It's his birthday.
Yeah, it was my birthday week, and this was what I wanted to do. So we are here in the mountains, enjoying some very cold weather and really getting to know what our camper can do and cannot do.
Bear with us. We don't know what we're doing,
No.
but we're putting ourselves out there because we want to build some community with people who are where we are
Yep.
in life.
We want our adventure to start now, not 7, 8, 9 years from now.
But it's a big priority to us to make that happen.
Yeah.
And it's our dream to live our adventure now. And we just got sick and tired of waiting for 8-10 years for retirement we're very excited because this vlog is the kickoff for us of really being committed to that, to making it happen, and you guys are going to help hold us accountable to that. So we're very excited for this new phase in our empty nesting lives. We are not new empty nesters. Our nest has been empty almost 4 years. But we're learning to live our adventure.
Yep. So hang in there with us, and we'll be taking you on all of our adventures.
Yep.